this video we're going to talk about air-fuel ratio, and what that is the amount of air to the amount of fuel that your engine is burning. The perfect number for a gasoline engine is 14.7 to 1, 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel, and that produces a chemically complete combustion event, so you're not producing any nitrates, you're burning all the fuel you put in. That's the stoichiometric number. That's perfect. So if you have more air, that makes it lean, and if you have more fuel, that makes it rich. So if you're running rich, you have too much fuel for the air you're allowing into the engine. That will cause, fouled spark plugs, and it can ruin catalytic converters if you have one equipped, because what a catalytic converter does is it removes all the bad stuff that your engine is not burning up in that combustion event. If you have a lean running engine, meaning you do not have enough fuel or you have too much air, what that does is it causes the engine to heat up a lot. If it's a little lean, a little bit of heat, obviously the worse your ratio is, the more it's going to heat up. And it can also cause dry spots. Fuel helps lubricate the cylinder walls and keep your combustion chamber cool. If you don't have enough fuel, it causes scoring, and it could seize your engine. This is made worse in two-stroke engines because your engine is relying on the correct amount of fuel flowing through the crankcase and your combustion chamber to lubricate everything, because the fuel carries the oil also. So it's a lot worse when you run a two-stroke lean versus a four-stroke, but you don't really want to run either of them lean. A lot of times it's safer to run vehicles a little fat or a little rich, because it's a lot safer condition. So that is air-fuel ratio.